And one thing which is as well new is that the printing sequence which we had before in that table, so the order of the spot colors that was listed here was as well the printing sequence that we assumed. This was not really practical. Now we have set up a new dialog, the printing sequence dialog here, which has a few functionalities. Use printing sequence from document, which is what we had in the past as well. A custom printing sequence where you define the printing sequence from top to down. So first the Henkel red will be printed, then the blue, then the Henkel blue 07. So this order will be the way how ZePrA will handle the colors while doing the conversion, because it's obviously a difference if you first print blue and put red on top, or if it's the other way, if you have red and then print blue on top, then the colors will obviously look different, and ZePrA takes this into account when doing the color conversion. And here you can define that. And what's new is that the very typical use case from dark to light are processed, because this is how fluxo printing and as well very often offset printing is used, from dark to light. So they first print black, then they print cyan, then magenta, then yellow, and then the spot colors and so on. And typically this is according to the lightness of the certain spot colors. The other way around is possible as well, from dark to light or light to dark. And ZePrA will then handle that automatically, looking at the PDF, depending on what spot color is in the document. So these two options are definitely the most advanced one that we have for the recognition and using of printing sequence inside ZePrA. So that's as well the default setting here.